e get three things wey me wan talk concerning this opportunity wey we dey see for this place. I call am opportunity because many of us wan japa. My mind is just to create an informative information so that even if you japa, your mind go dey inside. You go know say okay, I dey do this thing, but there's another thing, there's side effect wey dey inside. May you prepare yourself more better. Like I talk before, I no wan condemn anyone wey wan japa. Even me wey dey tell you so, me wey dey talk, I dey Germany. That's why I wan first start from German news, where labor chief say they need up to 400 skilled workers from Africa. No, where else do they want the laborers to come from? Now from our place, mostly our country, Nigeria. Last time when me visit German embassy, if you see the kind queue, the line up wey dey there, you know say very soon all the people wey dey more intelligent, educated, with more skills, they no go dey. And in this video, I wan mention like three things. There may be more. Three things wey dey as a big disadvantage. Why they do wetin they do? Number one, make we start from the people wey dey japa. 70% of all these people wey dey run comot na people wey dey too curious about future and life. And e get how they go plenty reach, they go motivate and engineer fight and protesting. So it's an act of deflecting pressure that will be coming from Africa. Any pressure wey go come from that our continent, the more that they pull them comot, that force go come dey deflect. So there are so many people wey get too patient, where they can tarry, they can stay in all pressure. So the people wey go stay be say tomorrow go better. So if you can't look here now, you can't see Japan, Turkey, all these people now, they need people. They rush people, they enter there now. And if you reach there, they will give you work, calm you down. The moment you they get that small thing, that leads me to number two reason why they come out. So if you check all our curriculum for school, there is nothing where we dey study there like mining and so on and so forth. That thing where God take bless that continent, where be mineral resources, the precious stone and so on and so forth, then we don't know anything about it. Me where they talk to you, so I don't know. Now, little way I don't see for internet. Thank God say internet even let us know which one be all those their names. So today, none of us know. There is no curriculum that carries what we're supposed to know about our mineral resources. And all those people we don't now later come they know the thing. Now all these key workers, people we don't they one way, where they curious about future and life, they don't go work. Now those people that they pull come out. Gone are those days where they carry refugee. Where if you go Europe, you will come seek asylum. Now all those bunch of asylum seekers when no go school, when no get any handwork, they no want them again. They want people who don't go school, who don't get training. Before they go tell you say if you go school, you go back, go better your community. No be that time again. This time around, Nigeria no can get doctors. As in the statistic, one doctor for 500 people, he no reach again. So they even talk about healthcare again. Now that they pull out the journalists and they pull out, because if you be journalist, when they report against them, when you don't come Europe, they will fix you where you go. They work for carpenter, they paint house, they work in one place or the other. Or even if you there for that journalist, you go they serve their own interest. How you go get chance again? Go think on how your community will be in Nigeria go better. You don't they busy, they fight how you go take earn income to finance your mortgage, all the things where they pay your motor, all those things where they will sit you down, give you pressure with the Europe pressure, give you work where you go they fight. If every month you they busy, you go even get time they think about how Africa, because many people know they think. They talk they go left, some people they talk they go right. Some people they talk they go backwards. If they talk, some people go tell you no problem, we are fine like this, those kind of things. And in Europe, they are studying how they can mine. Small boy like this, small girl like this, they don't go Africa, go do their IT, how to mine, and they no get mineral, that kind mineral resources, but then they go our place go, they go don't know everything. Those courses then dey, so they go just select some of them, we go replace them, study wetin they wan go do, go there do the IT, replace. So the first, the to the 10th generation wey dey come, they don't really know how they go take dey do that work. If we pursue them even now as I dey talk, we no fit mine am by ourselves, because we don't know anything about mining. Even till tomorrow, if some of those people come out, we no go even, we just want make we have our peace. How did they take do am? We no even know. We no even care to know, because there our curriculum. There is no subject like mining in our school prescription or syllabus. There is no mining there. We even the agriculture where we even they do, we are not serious about it. They give us some of the things we go poison our land, and then our land they poison the mineral resources where we know. They teach us, because they want to do, and they go carry us, they trade by barter, carry us go, they do their own labor, then them come they do the mining and the government system and so on and so forth. So that is one thing that they actually doing. So those people were supposed to tomorrow ask, why are we poor, like this thing where they happen right now. Now them they waka comot. So that's 70% of those energetic, curious set of people we're supposed to one day or one time in the future begin to pressure them for change. Now then, if all of them don't come out, now who will remain? They go get their time, get their peace, they mind, they go, they still can't use that money, can't they do their factory, can't they carry us, make we can't they work there. Even the factory, Kuma, they not even build that for you, make you they do one for your place. So number 3 reason when me want talk this, our people they talk say now where you live you they protect. The Igbo people they go say ebonye biko na wachi. So where they carry you go, where daily bread pursuit carry you go, now there you go they protect, literally, whether you like it or not. So because you are there, that is where you are fetching your income. That you go they protect their interests one way or the other. So the first time where you just enter the abroad, the first year, second year, you go they protect that your work, they protect your interest, go think say your life go better tomorrow your life go better. You go, before you know it, 10 years don't pass. The time of your life, the precious period of your life don't waka come out. Nothing where they think again. That your children where you don't born there, they don't already there or culturalized, they don't sabi there, they don't know your place, they don't know your interest, they don't know your motives, your passion. What will you intend to do for your people if you were in Nigeria or in Africa? So now the moment you don't born, if someone tell you say they won't go destroy Germany, like me where they Germany, you won't believe. Now you won't want them to destroy Germany because your children they there. Now there your interest they. It's just like when God want to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah. Abraham, they protect the place because in Lot they there. So because Lot they there and Lot na his own person, he no one make they destroy there. That is how this mentality be. So if the people they talk against Europe now, we just they talk for my. If they say okay, we want to destroy Europe now. That's more change, so-called aids where they give us, so-called the money where the diasporas they pull enter our place, they know. And that money as well, they take them back. They do all this trade by barter where we just cycle our future with day one place. So, but my point of this video is literally just to create information for person where just they eat fatty food. You go know say na fat you dey eat. Tomorrow you go jump enter treadmill, or they run, they go do gym, enter they do sports so that you go burn fat. So somehow you eat fatty food, you burn it. You come to Europe, you still work money, you sit down. I didn't know this before, and now that I knew it, That's why my head dey more in Africa. My head I'd always dey go back home, and even my time don dey almost pass. The little time wey I dey take am dey minister, so that me and you go know. Today now, many things wey I get e dey for home. I no wan dey here dey brag. I dey support my people. I dey do so many things to better my community, so that it go generate a way to overcome this side effect. Say, oh, I don't see opportunity. There are so many negative side of this opportunity where we dey jump enter. So that is just my point. And comment on the comment section. Tell me what your take on this whole mess, because it is not easy, and me and you no fit do much. But the earlier we know, we can pass the information to our children so that they will know, because the interest na im matter. Another thing before I forget be say, no matter what you study for our place as a skill worker, you can't come here, they go still put you in a position where be say na only serving na im dey do. Now, oh yes member, that kind of thing. Oh yes member. It's good at the beginning, because who dash monkey banana, where we dey still dey do something. Most important thing where person like me and so many people they do be say, if they don't get that citizenship passport, then you now know how you can ratio, study your way, know how you can divide your energy, because they will just exhaust you. You will come be empty rag before you know what is going on. Years don't pass. Even our people where they work for health center, if you see how they take use them, you go know say na just another slavery. Honestly. And one guy will go, no matter what you study reach, they go still put you in a very dirty position. Them they go come dey for the main office. They command you. Remain blessed. Bye.